Torie, you said that you've been working on your business a lot during this period.
Yeah.
Why don't you give me an example of a couple of innovative things that you've been thinking about implementing, whether it be now or after the crisis ends?
We started off by sort of sending out, we've always sent out newsletters, but we started thinking about the types of things that people would want to know about. You know, people are getting 100 statements a day saying, you know, we're closed down with COVID. So's the rest of the world. That's not innovation, and people just don't want that sort of thing. So we've been putting together a weekly newsletter, and it's had things on it like 5 date night tips. It's had like alternative podcasts that blokes can download for sport. It's had a mindfulness section with recommended books of the week. It's had things to do with your family, recipes. Our operations director has done a weekly video, which the first week he did a cocktail masterclass where you could make all your own cocktails, and then the next week was a virtual cheese and wine night, and we've held virtual ready steady cook nights with our members. We're doing a virtual gin tasting. We've done quizzes. We did a whole cheese and wine night, so we sent them a shopping list that they could go and get a couple of bottles of wine from Sainsbury's or Tesco's and get the cheeses to go with it. And even myself, our weekly communication with our members. Yesterday, I recorded a 10-minute personal video, which we literally just sent them on an email. And so it just, trying to keep everybody together. And every week we've taken a bunch of customers and we've just literally rang them and said, what can we help with? And that might be, so, their biggest thing, they've not been part of the club from a business perspective. It's very much a social club. But who can we connect you with? We've got a black book, of contacts. Who in the UK, what can we do to help? And I agree with what Daniel said. It's nothing to do with selling anyone anything, but when everyone comes out of this, people will remember the people that have been there to help them and not the people that have been there to send them a "we're closed during COVID-19" statement.